Good morning, reception. Let's do our speed sounds. B, 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 b. F, g, g, g. H, h, h. D, d, d. I, I, I. A. K, k, k. J, j, j. N. A. X, x. O. K, k, k. V, z. Qu, qu, qu. T, t, t. P, p, p. S, w, y, l. O, a goat in a boat. E, see the bee. Ch, chips and chops. A nurse with a purse. I, a light at night. The three thumbs. Ooh, a poo in the zoo. A snail in the rain. Qu, a quick queen. Or, a corn in the storm. Look at a book. Start the car. Shh, a sheep in a shed. K, a duck in a truck. Ow, a brown cow. Oi, a coin in the soil. A pair of chairs. Hello, reception. Okay, so this morning we are continuing to look at air. And yesterday you did such a good job with air, a pair of chairs. This trigraph, it's a bit hard really, isn't it? 3 letters, air, a pair of chairs. You came up with so many fantastic words. Long words like funfair or unfair. Lots of long words, longer than the ones I did with you, so I was so impressed. Well done. Now, day 2 of our sound is when we write a sentence. So, my sentence today is like the rhyme, a pair of chairs. So, I'm going to pop this up here, but I'm going to promise not to take a sneaky peek. I'm going to do it using my brain, okay? A pair of chairs. And the reason why I chose that one is because it's got an air word in it twice. Okay, so that's that challenge that we're going to try and have to use 2 air words. Okay, now I know that my sentence needs a capital letter. A. What does a capital A look like? Can you draw it in the sky for me? Up, down, good. A. Okay, knowing that my capital is a tall letter that goes into the sky. A. Now what's my next word? Pair. Shall we see what sound says pair? Oh. Pair. Pair. So I need a Am I going to do it here? Or do I need to leave a finger space? Okay, so I'm going to leave a space and I'm going to leave a little space for me to do p. Tell me about p. It goes down into the ground. Well done. P. Okay, let's sound it, stretch it. P. Air. And again, pair. Should we do it with our robot hands? I think I can hear 2 sound. P. Air. Oh, that was nice and easy. P. Air. And I know air, sound of the day. A, I, buttons on. Super. A pair. Now my next word of. I'm going to leave a finger space. Of. Oh, I try my best with my fan. Oh, they can be tricky. They go in the sky, the grass and the ground. Tried my best. Okay. A pair of. Now, I don't think I'm going to fit my word there because I know that chairs is a longer word, so it won't fit there. So I must go on the next line. Chairs. Right, let's stretch chairs. Chairs. And again, chairs. Okay. Now, let's think about the first sound in chairs. 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 Did you get it? How do I write chips and chops. I need a k and a good. Curly K. And then remember it's tall. S. And again S. Right. Sound of the day. I can do that without even looking at the top up there. I know it. Been doing it for 2 days now. Today and yesterday. Oh, and hang on a minute. What do I need? Don't want to look. And what do I need? Reception. Good. Is that done? A pair of chair. Oh, no, that's not right. I need another sound. Let's listen for what sound I need at the end. Chairs. And again, chairs. What's missing? Good. Up and slither down the snake. Wow. And I must remember at the end of my sentence, I have to have a full stop. Well done. Remember, not a golf ball. Miss Campbell doesn't really like them big golf ball full stops, okay? A pair of chairs. Now I wonder if you think that you might be able to write a sentence for me. You might even be able to write a sentence with 2 air words in. Or you might just want to write 2 sentences with 1 air word in, like, I went to the fair. Or, I can brush my hair. Or, I went up the stairs. Okay? Any sentences that you would like to do, that would be fantastic. Okay, so good luck, reception. And I look forward to seeing your beautiful air sentences later on. Bye.